Alright, welcome back YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to create a somewhat complex script for a day and night cycle in your Roblox game. So what we're going to do is we're first going to create a server-sided script in server script service, and we're going to call this day-night script. We're going to remove that print hello world. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create a variable. And this is going to be local run service will equal game get service run service. And then what we're going to do is we're going to create a local function. And this is going to be called wait for seconds. Now the reason we're making a local function is because we only want this local function, or sorry, this function to be called in this script only. So basically a local function is local, meaning it only can be called in the script you created it in, versus a function which is all over, if that makes sense. So a function can be called inside, or sorry, can be called anywheres within this script and others. Okay, so within this local function, we're going to create one local variable, and it's going to be local start time will equal tick. And if you don't know what tick does, I highly suggest you go on the Roblox wiki and take a look. Anyways, we're gonna create a loop here. So we're gonna say while tick minus start time is less than seconds do, and then we're gonna call run service dot heartbeat and wait. Again, if you also don't know what tick does or run service or heartbeat, please go check out the Roblox wiki. It might be a little too much to explain in this video. So anyways, we're going to create another local function, and this is going to be called update lighting. And we're going to do another loop. So we're going to say while true do. Then we're going to do local current time will equal game.lighting.clock time. And then right here we're going to, and I can't spell, we're going to simulate time passing. Next, we're going to do game lighting dot clock time will equal current time plus 1 divided by 300. Now this 1 divided by 300 equals 0.003333. So that's a pretty weird decimal number right there. This would be right here, this 0.0033 etc. would be equal to a number value, not a int value. Okay, so if you don't already know what I'm doing here, I'm taking the game.lighting.clock time and I'm taking the current time, which is basically equal to the same thing, and I'm adding 1 divided by 300, which equals this, and etc. Next, we're going to do a if check, and we're going to say if current time is less than 6.5, or sorry, not 6.5. Let's do, yeah, 6.5 is good enough. Then we're going to say game.lighting.exposure So sorry, I had a little mess up there. We're gonna do game.lighting.exposure compensation, and we're going to make it equal to negative 0.18. Now we're gonna do else game.lighting.exposure compensation again will equal 0. Now basically, if you don't know what exposure compensation is, please go on the Roblox wiki and look this up. It's a little too much to explain in this video, but basically in simple terms, this is what it says: exposure compensation. Okay, next we're going to add some comments here in case people want to use this script. We're going to say add more complex logic here if needed, and for an example, change the lighting based on the in-game events or player actions. Lastly, to end this whole function off right here, we're gonna call our wait4 function, and we're gonna do 0.1. Now this is more just of an advanced way to create a wait, if that makes sense. So this is in seconds, and we're doing not even a second, so 0.1. Now we're going to add another comment here saying you can add more, let's see here. You can add more initialization code here if needed. It's a big word. Add another comment saying start the lighting updated and let's use start the lighting updated Coordine. Let's use Coordine. So we're gonna do local lighting Coordine will equal Coordine dot create update lighting. Down we're gonna do quarantine dot resume lighting quarantine. Okay, so that's pretty much it. We're done with the whole script right here. I've added some, some comments saying if you want to add more complex or advanced logic there, you can. That's where it goes. Or you can edit this or this, whatever you like. So we're gonna go in game and we're gonna test it. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna change this to 100. And as you can see, there's the sun. It's going down and down and down. And it works. And usually it will get to nighttime. And then it will just recycle and recycle. So I've already tested this script a bit, and I can tell you right now that 1 divided by 3 is too fast. So just a heads up, 100 is faster, or 1 divided by 100 is faster. So I would say anywhere from 1 divided by 700 or 1 divided by maybe 800. Maybe even a bigger number, I don't know. You'd have to play around with the script. But anyways, thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and if you want to use this script, feel free. Have a good day. Have a good night. Take care.